Well, good morning to you, and here it is, the beet experiment and produce box. We're gonna go ahead and pull them now. It's a little early by day. I'll tell you how long they were in there before it's over with. But you can see they've been getting hot. Let's check it out. Okay, those are the Chioggias, and some of them are pretty big, but I can see from here one of them, no, that's not cracked. But I can see several of them are definitely woody. And that's on me. I left them in about a week too long. So it does work. You can do it. All right, let's check out the next ones. What is that? I guess it's Detroit Red. All right, Detroit Red. Well, it's a dark red. Again, I could see that the biggest ones, the ones that have size on them, they're already woody. Yes, I left them in too long. Yeah, dadgummit. I planted those March 8th. For some reason, I was thinking it was later. So, wow, this is May 23rd. That's too long, man. Too long by about 15 days. Oh, well, but it can be done. What's that? Peace, y'all. Three, two, one.